Okay guys, here we are again in, I don't know which four maybe? 4 or 5? So, anyway, here we are, 7:24, okay? And we're here to decide what we're gonna do, if get a job or forget it. So, I haven't been thinking a lot, as you may have seen. I'm just gonna get a job because I'm that kind of girl. I really like, I don't know, working. I like working. I like money, fuck it. So anyway, we're gonna get a job. I think I saw a flyer at the station hiring high school students over the summer. It was a cafe, right? It's beautiful in here. Oh my! Pardon me, miss, but we're not open yet. If you could come back at noon... Oh, sorry, I was here to ask about the job. The property of the cafe is an extremely elegant parakeet, a true gentle bird without a doubt. This must be what people mean when they refer to a mature attractiveness. All the students at school are young and hyper, and the most dignified bird there are the teachers. Oh, is that right? Forgive me. I am called Uri Urushihara Kanzaburo. I'm the owner of Torimi Cafe. I'm Tosaka Annie. Welcome, Miss Annie. I hadn't expected a human. Are you going to interview me? I do not see any need to test such a wonderful young lady decided to work here. And I believe you will be much more capable than I at moving the boxes of coffee and tea about. I'll be glad to. After all, I'm a vitality girl. I shall be relying on you for this summer then, Miss Annie. It is perhaps a little sudden, but could you start tomorrow? Of course. I am glad. I shall be waiting for you here in my cage. Tomorrow then, Miss Annie. I still don't get about the tables, if they're big or small, how the people... Do they actually transform themselves into normal people, or they just like... I don't get this game. Today's my first day working at Mr. Orishihara's cafe. I think I'll leave early to make a good impression. Good morning, Miss Annie. Good morning, sir. Let me start by showing you where everything is. I'm sure you'll be able to remember everything soon, so please ask if you can't find something. He shows me around the cafe, explaining everything inside. The shop is small and he keeps everything very tidy, so I'll be able to remember it all. Well then, what do you think? It's very nice. I almost want to move in. Come now, it's far too plain for a young lady such as yourself. Actually, compared to my Excuse me? I saw the flyer at the station and... Ryota? Honey, what are you doing here? A friend of yours, Miss Annie? Oh yes, this is Ryota. You came for the job too, Ryota? Yeah, I saw that in this. It starts at noon, so I thought I could fit in after my other job. But if you've already got the position, then that's that. Well guys, I'm really sorry that the video ended there, but the camera kind of ran out of battery. And, I mean, it only played for only 3 more minutes, and it was just, I dated the teacher, because you know that I really wanted to date with the teacher, and that was it. And it's just 3 more minutes, and I mean, it's kind of stupid me playing again 3 more minutes, and I'm really busy lately, so I'm really sorry. Hope you enjoyed the video, and leave a like and subscribe if you want to. Bye bye.